Good morning, everyone. In this video, I'm gonna show you how to add a sitemap on your Google Shares console. Okay, get your website URL. Open this website. It's called XML sitemap.com. Paste your URL. Click start. You're gonna wait. Click view sitemap. So from here, click download. Log on your website control panel. Click upload files. Select the sitemap. Upload. It's done. Come back to your website. Open your sitemap. Add this sitemap dot XML. Click submit. Sitemap submitted successfully. So you're gonna have to give Google some time before it fetch all your URL. So you're gonna have to wait before you get green from here. As you can see, it's already discover 8 URL. Okay, so this is how you add a sitemap on a website. I hope this video will help someone who is in need. Thank you for watching this video. Ciao.